Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best liquid resin is probably one of the most versatile and exciting materials available for creators today, offering a unique blend of durability, clarity, and artistic potential that can transform ordinary objects into stunning works of art or functional pieces. Whether you're a seasoned crafter looking to elevate your projects or a beginner eager to explore the world of resin art, understanding the nuances of different liquid resins is crucial for achieving professional-looking results and unlocking your creative vision. This guide will delve into what makes a liquid resin truly stand out, ensuring your next creation is a masterpiece. Number 5. Puduo Epoxy Resin Crystal Clear Art Kit, 16 ounces. This crystal clear epoxy resin is specifically designed for your art projects. It provides long-lasting results for wood finishes and many other applications, giving you a beautiful, glossy sheen. Using this kit is straightforward. Simply mix equal parts of the resin and hardener. You'll have plenty of time to work with it, about 45 minutes at room temperature, to create your masterpiece. Get your projects done faster with our unique fast-curing formula. Your casting can be removed from the mold in as little as 8 hours and will be fully cured within 24 hours. This versatile resin is amazing for all your art projects, including casting, doming, jewelry, and more. The possibilities are endless, limited only by your imagination. It works beautifully with all types of pigments, including mica powders, alcohol inks, glitter, and glow-in-the-dark additives. Achieve stunning effects in every creation. To make your crafting experience even easier, this kit comes with bonus tools. You'll find measuring cups, mixing sticks, and a pair of rubber gloves. What we like. This kit offers a crystal clear finish perfect for art and jewelry. It boasts a fast curing time, allowing you to finish projects quickly. If you are a beginner or looking for a complete starter kit with all the necessary tools, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The resin is easy to use and cures quickly under UV light. It has a low viscosity, making it great for detailed prints and miniatures. The finished prints are very durable and have a smooth surface finish. Number 4. Superclear Tabletop Epoxy Resin 1 Gallon Kit. Achieve a stunning, glass-like finish with our self-leveling epoxy resin. It's perfect for tabletops, bar tops, countertops, and all your creative casting projects. Our advanced formula includes UV stabilizers to prevent yellowing. This ensures your surfaces stay clear and bright for years to come. Mixing is simple with our 1-to-1 ratio of resin and hardener. This makes achieving consistent, professional results easy for everyone. Once fully cured, this product is food safe. It's ideal for countertops, bar tops, and serving boards. Proudly manufactured in the USA with over 60 years of expertise. Trust in a quality product made with care. What we like. This is designed specifically for tabletops and countertops, providing a durable, crystal clear coating. Its UV resistance ensures it won't yellow over time, and it's food safe once cured. If you're looking to protect and beautify your kitchen counters or bar tops, this is the ideal product. What people say. The resin is easy to mix and pour, with a low viscosity that allows for smooth application. It cures quickly and hard, resulting in a durable and scratch-resistant surface. The finished product has a beautiful glossy finish that enhances the appearance of the artwork. Number 3. Craft Resin 34-ounce Crystal Clear Epoxy Resin Kit. Unlock your artistic potential with our premium clear epoxy resin kit. It allows you to create beautiful pieces with a glass-like finish that won't yellow over time. It's popular for various art projects, tabletops, casting, coasters, and jewelry making. Tired of bubbles and uneven finishes? Our advanced formula automatically releases air bubbles. For best results, use at a recommended depth of 1/4 inch. Our epoxy is made with low odor, non-toxic, and solvent-free materials. It's perfectly formulated for home and professional use, being harmless to you and the environment when used as directed. It only takes 24 hours for our crystal epoxy resin to cure, becoming rock-hard and scratch-resistant. It's also resistant to heat up to 203 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you a crystal clear, glassy smooth finish that lasts. Our 2-part epoxy resin kit is simple to use, even for beginners. The kit includes everything you need to upgrade your resin game and elevate your art. What we like. This option features an innovative bubble-free formula that self-levels for a smooth, glass-like finish. It's certified food-safe and heat-resistant up to 203 degrees Fahrenheit, making it versatile for various art projects. If you prioritize a flawless finish without the hassle of bubbles and need a resin that can withstand heat, this is a great pick. What people say. The resin cures quickly and cleanly, with minimal bubbling. Excellent clarity and low viscosity make it easy to pour and work with. The finished product is durable and has a smooth, glossy surface. Number 2. Craft Resin Deep Pour Epoxy Resin Kit 1.5 gallon. Discover the Craft Resin Deep Pour Epoxy Kit, your ultimate solution for stunning, deep pours. It's designed for projects up to 2 inches thick, offering a crystal clear, bubble-free finish. Our enhanced formula boasts reduced viscosity for easier mixing and faster air release. This means cooler curing, less heat buildup, and the ability to achieve bigger, deeper casts with minimal risk. Achieve professional quality results with single-layer pours up to 2 inches deep. This premium kit delivers a glass-like finish with lasting clarity, saving you time and effort. Rest assured with our certified food-safe epoxy, which is minimally odorous, non-toxic, and free from VOCs. It's the perfect choice for both home and professional use, prioritizing safety and environmental consciousness. Experience a rock-hard, scratch-resistant finish in just 48 hours. It's heat-resistant up to 176 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring a crystal clear, glassy smooth surface that endures for years without cracking. Designed for everyone, our kits feature a simple 2-to-1 ratio for effortless use. Everything you need is included to elevate your resin art, making it perfect for beginners and experienced crafters alike. What we like. This deep pour kit is formulated for larger projects, allowing pours up to 2 inches thick in a single layer. Its upgraded bubble release formula minimizes air bubbles and overheating. If you're planning to create river tables, large castings, or preserve items like flowers, this is the perfect resin for substantial projects. What people say. The resin cures quickly and hard, making it ideal for detailed prints. It has a low viscosity, which helps in reducing print failures and supports. The finished prints have a smooth surface finish and good color accuracy. Number 1. Superclear Liquid Glass Deep Pour Epoxy Resin, 3-gallon kit. Achieve pours up to 2 to 4 inches in a single lift. Perfect for river tables, live edge wood, and large molds without the hassle of multiple layers. Our low viscosity formula releases trapped air for a smooth, glass-like finish. Enjoy a crystal clear result with minimal effort. Engineered for daily use, it cures to a hard, scratch-resistant finish. Ideal for tabletops, bar tops, and display pieces. This product is safe for food contact once fully cured. Its zero VOC formula ensures a comfortable and safe indoor pouring experience. Formulated and manufactured in St. Petersburg, Florida. Trust in over 60 years of resin manufacturing expertise. What we like. This liquid glass resin is engineered for extremely deep pours, up to 4 inches, ideal for massive river tables and large molds. It offers a crystal clear, bubble-free finish with a durable, rock-hard cure and is zero VOC. If you're undertaking ambitious, large-scale casting projects and need a robust, high-performance resin, this is the one to choose. What people say. The resin is very clear and cures quickly under UV light. It has a low viscosity, making it easy to pour and work with. The finished product is hard and durable with a nice glossy finish. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.